Volcano we are making today.
About to explode.
It's me, her, her, and Volcano.
His name
And
is
our
Bob.
Alright.
And our Volcano box.
Few drops of paint.
And next we're using
for your
Sally to
volcano.
make some chapstick.
Inside.
And then we have my chips.
Now we're adding food coloring.
Food coloring goes in. And
Uh,
chip goes in my mouth.
Is any coming out?
No, wait, can I?
Your big head's in the way, Ellie.
Sorry.
Ooh. Volcano. There's like her head. Her head goes. Just like that volcano.
This is gonna be fun. Everybody back up once it explodes. No.
Happy birthday to me. It's not my birthday.
Happy birthday to no one, even though yesterday was your sister's birthday.
Boys, do you want to see their volcano erupt?
Yeah. Go watch it.
Oh gosh, here comes the weird.
Oh God.
Here's one. Here's a weirdo.
Hurry up, Jack.
Okay, blood.
Other weirdo.
Yeah, it's not gonna be that
You don't want
fun.
to? It's your volcano. You want to? Slowly.
I will.
Here goes vinegar. Oh gosh.
Slowly.
Pour it. Mommy, you can pour the rest.
Is
What?
it bubbling?
That's not really working.
No.
It is working. It's not gonna. It's not a real volcano, guys.
Ding dong. Why can't it be a real
Well,
volcano?
because then it
Because that's
would
too
ruin
big.
our house.
And it will ruin us. Oh. Oh, it smells weird. I hate the smell of vinegar.
I don't even smell it.
I like vinegar.
Oh, vinegar?
Oh,
Do we
whoa,
need our
whoa.
vinegar chips?
Yes. Whoa.
My vinegar chips.
Pull the whole thing on top. Not slowly. No. Oh, whoa. More. Yeah. Just pour the whole entire bottle. Yeah, that's what I made.
Holy shit.
Yeah. Yes. Science.
Cool.
I'm gonna mix it. That's
You should go buy it yourself.
Thanks for Bunny gave it to me.
It's called Kids Lab. Kitchen Science. And it has a volcano on it.
And today we're gonna make rock candy.
Oh, we're making rock candy?
Yeah. Oh yeah, there's rock candy. It smells.
Yeah, that's the vinegar.
Well, I guess we're making rock candy. And we'll see you when we make rock candy.
Good night.
Peace out. Woo! Anybody want to say bye? Bye.
Bye, Pete.
Bye. Bye.